Bob Marley was a legendary Jamaican musician, singer, and songwriter who rose to worldwide fame in the 1970s with his band, the Wailers. Marley is known for his unique style of music, which blends reggae, ska, and rocksteady, and for his powerful lyrics that often deal with social and political issues. Marley was born in 9 Mile, Jamaica, in 1945, and he grew up in poverty in the Trenchtown neighborhood of Kingston. He started making music at a young age, and by the time he was a teenager, he had formed a band with his friends called the Wailers. The group started playing in local clubs and gained a following, but they struggled to break through to mainstream success. In 1972, the Wailers were signed to Island Records, and they released their first international album, Catch a Fire, which included hits like Stir It Up and Concrete Jungle. The album was a critical and commercial success, and it helped to introduce reggae music to a wider audience. Marley continued to release hit albums throughout the 1970s, including Natty Dread, Exodus, and Uprising. His music became a symbol of the struggle for social justice and freedom in Jamaica and around the world, and he became an icon of the Rastafari movement. In 1980, Marley was diagnosed with cancer, and despite receiving treatment, he passed away on May 11, 1981, at the age of 36. His legacy lives on, however, and his music continues to inspire generations of fans around the world. He remains one of the most important figures in the history of popular music, and his impact on the culture of Jamaica and the world cannot be overstated. Marley's impact on music and culture has continued to grow since his passing. In 1999, Time magazine named him one of the 100 most influential people of the 20th century, and his music has been sampled and covered by countless artists in a wide range of genres. In addition to his musical contributions, Marley was also known for his activism and philanthropy. He was a strong advocate for peace, unity, and social justice, and he used his music to promote these causes. He was also involved in various charitable organizations, and he often performed benefit concerts to raise money for those in need. One of Marley's most famous performances was his 1978 concert at the One Love Peace Concert in Jamaica. At the concert, which was held in the midst of a violent political conflict in the country, Marley brought together the leaders of 2 opposing political parties and called for peace and unity. The moment was a powerful symbol of hope and reconciliation, and it cemented Marley's reputation as a leader and peacemaker. Today, Marley's music and message continue to inspire people around the world. His songs, such as Get Up, Stand Up, No Woman, No Cry, and Redemption Song, remain popular and powerful anthems of freedom, justice, and love. Marley's life and legacy are a testament to the power of music to unite people and inspire change, and his influence will continue to be felt for generations to come. In addition to his musical and activist legacy, Bob Marley's personal life and philosophy continue to inspire people around the world. Marley was a devout Rastafarian, a spiritual movement that originated in Jamaica in the 1930s, and his faith influenced many aspects of his life and work. Rastafarianism emphasizes the importance of living in harmony with nature, respecting all living things, and working towards social and economic equality. Marley's music often reflected these principles, and his lyrics often dealt with issues such as poverty, oppression, and the struggle for freedom. Marley also advocated for the use of cannabis, or ganja, which is considered a sacrament in Rastafarianism. He believed that the plant had healing properties and could be used to help people connect with their spiritual selves. Marley's commitment to his faith and his music has made him a cultural icon, and his influence can be seen in many aspects of popular culture. He has been the subject of numerous books, documentaries, and films, and his image has been featured on everything from t-shirts to coffee mugs. Despite his untimely death at a young age, Bob Marley's impact on music, culture, and society continues to be felt around the world. His legacy serves as a reminder of the power of music to bring people together, to promote social change, and to inspire hope and compassion.